It's time to slow down on the alcohol again. It's time to put that pain in the gym. You know what I mean? Focus on getting my certifications and the things the things I started. Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. It's a new year, and in order to get new results, man, you gotta do some new things. Man, funny cause yesterday, I was supposed to go out for dinner with a couple of homies taking me out for my birthday. My birthday was 4 days ago, so I was supposed to go out last night, and it just was a lack of communication. And if you know anything about me, I'm big on communication. I'm big on my time, and people wasting my time. I take offense to that. So I end up not going, and I always look at the bright side of things. So it ended up it was a moment of to reflect and kind of bring me back to a place where I just need to audit my circle, man, because at the end of the day I can call on guys to drink till we drown, or hang out, or anything destructive, man. I can pretty much count on people for. But wasn't nobody gonna get up at 6 o'clock this morning with me and go to the gym. Ain't nobody gonna get these miles in with me. So I kind of try to stay away from New Year's resolutions, and just I like to just start where I'm at, wherever I'm at, whatever season it is, wherever we're at in the year, in the calendar year. I like to start just where I'm at. So this was a place where it's just like, what? It's time to slow down on the alcohol again. It's time to put that pain in the gym. You know what I mean? Focus on getting my certifications and the things the things I started. Just trying to finish those things up, and build the life that I plan to live. You know what I mean? I have a strong support system, and life's good. Gratitude's my attitude. That's one of the things I like to tell myself, and show gratitude and be grateful. So yeah, I just wanted to tap in with y'all, and somebody may just need to hear it. You know what I mean? So it's never too late to audit your circle, and now it's always the time. Right now, there's no sense in sitting around waiting until the time is right, because the time is always now. Just gotta get up off your ass and do it. It's your boy C. It's not a certificial. It's just a call conversation. Tap in, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.